In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually get $20 or even $50 or $110 or even $220 all for free just doing this simple task on WEEX. WEEX is a crypto trading exchange, one of the largest exchanges that is ranking, and they have been doing very well. And if you have been following me for a while, you would have seen me talk about their native token and all of that. But in this video, I want to show you how you can get up to $220 all for free by just completing a simple task. All you just need to do is to get an account with the WEEX exchange. This is only for new users, right? So get an account with the WEEX exchange and then fulfill this task and claim the money that WEEX is giving out for you. The link to sign up for an account will be in the video description, or you can join us on Telegram and use the link that we have been posting there on Telegram to get these free bonuses. So if I come down here, you can see that this is for the new users reward, the welcome bonuses for new users. So if you come down here to the features transfer option, right here, you can actually deposit $100 and then transfer that $100 into your features account. Okay, transfer the $100 into your features account and don't touch this. Okay, don't touch this for a whole day. And with a trading volume of about $50,000, you can claim 20 USDT for free that you can use to start up your trading journey. And if you want to make it $50, all you just need to do is to deposit $200, transfer that $200 into your features trading account and let this $200 remain there for 3 days. Okay, with a trading volume of 100K, you can claim $50 for free. And with a $100 bonus, you need to make a deposit of $500 into your features account, allow it there for 5 days. And with a trading volume of 500K, you claim $110 for free. The same thing for the last option here, which is the $220. So all you just need is make a deposit of $1,000 and allow that money to sit in your features trading account for 5 days. And with a trading volume of $1 million, you claim this $220 for free that you can use to do something else. Okay, so take advantage of this right now. This is for a limited time, so act right now because this will be expiring soon. So sign up for a WEEX account. The link will be in the video description or my bio, or you can join us on Telegram and use the link that will be posted there to sign up for an account and claim this reward that WEEX is giving out. And we're equally doing giveaway of $25 to about 10 persons each. So make sure that you join us and share your UID with us, and then you can claim your own giveaway as well. That is it for this video. Give it a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, you just need to make a deposit, transfer it to your features account and start trading, and you can claim this money all for free.